The front SAM, or Signal Acquisition Module, controls multiple components and functions in the front of the vehicle. Malfunctioning components like front lighting, radio, wiper controls, and windows could be due to a faulty front SAM. When replacing the front SAM, it will need to be properly commissioned, which includes SCN coding and adaptations. In this video, I'll show you how to do this on a 2017 W205 C-Class Mercedes-Benz. Some Mercedes-Benz models, including W204, W207, and W212 chassis, have an integrated central gateway (CGW) module within the front SAM. On those vehicles, you must code the CGW in addition to the front SAM. It's recommended to code the CGW first and then the front SAM. Coding modules in this order is similar to the initial startup procedure in the factory tool. Our subject vehicle does not have an integrated CGW. Before beginning, be sure you have a stable internet connection. Connect to suitable vehicle power supply. Tap Diagnostic. Tap Euro. Tap Mercedes-Benz. Tap Coding. Tap System Select. Tap Body System. Tap Signal Acquisition Module Front SAM F. On the next screen, you'll have the option to read and clear fault codes, program and SCN code a replacement ECU, SCN coding, and manual coding. In this example, we installed a replacement ECU. Tap ECU Replacement, Programming, SCN Coding. You'll be guided through ECU programming and SCN coding as well as any necessary adaptations. Tap Enter to continue. In this example, we installed a new ECU. Tap Yes, a new ECU was purchased. On the next screen, you will have multiple options. Select the option that best fits your situation. Whenever the original ECU is available and communicates properly, it is recommended to read and transfer data from the old to the new ECU. Tap Yes, the original ECU exists. Read and confirm message. Tap Enter to continue. Install new ECU. Tap Enter to continue. Skipping programming can save time. If the module is a new OE replacement, programming software comes preloaded. It is recommended to skip programming and do coding directly. If ECU doesn't function normally after coding, then perform programming. Tap Do Coding Directly. Results will be displayed. Tap Enter to exit. It's always a good idea to check and clear fault codes that may have been set during your repair procedure. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos for procedures with Mercedes-Benz vehicles.